Hey everyone, how's it going? Azren the language nerd here. I hope you're doing very, very well. Welcome to another episode of Super Easy English. In today's episode, we are going to talk about lots of words that have to do with nature. I am in France right now as I am making this video, and I am in a very small village which is in the middle of nature. And so I thought I would take this time to make a video talking about some nature words. Well, with that aside, let's start. Something that we see a lot in nature is trees. These here are all trees. All of these are trees. There are lots and lots and lots of trees in nature. On the tree, there are many different things. We have, for example, on a tree, we have many leaves. This is one leaf. This is another leaf. There are many different leaves. If there's only one leaf, we say leaf, L-E-A-F. If there are many, right, like here we have many of them, we say leaves, right? So L-E-A-V-E-S. In nature, there are also many plants. If you look behind me, these are plants. In nature, some plants are a little bit dangerous and you can't touch them. For example, this plant behind me, all of these plants, all of these plants back here, all of them, they are very dangerous. I cannot touch these plants. If I touch this plant, it will hurt my hand. My hand will get lots of bumps and it will hurt a lot. This plant behind me, this plant is called, in English we call it nettle. Nettle, let me give you a little bit of a closer look. This is what nettle looks like if we zoom in a bit. In nature, there are also many flowers that are quite pretty. The flowers often will have bees or bumblebees that fly around them and fly in them. If you look at this little video clip here, you will see a flower, a very pretty one, and a bee that is flying around the flower. Another very common plant is dandelions. Dandelions look like this, and I think they are everywhere. Most or many of the countries and places that I have visited all have dandelions, and many people don't like them. In nature, we also will often see creeks or streams, which look kind of like this behind me, this one here. I can give you a little bit of a closer look so you can see. But a creek or a stream is basically like, it's kind of like a river, but it's much smaller than a river. There is a technical difference. There is a small difference between a creek and a stream, but honestly, there are very few people who really know exactly what the difference is. And it's, at least for me, for people I know, my friends, my family, etc., I find most people will use the word creek and stream. They'll use both to mean the same thing. Well, everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, comments, anything at all, write them in the comments below and I will answer them for you. Have a good day and we will talk next time. Bye for now. See you.